Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another shoe unboxing video. Today we got the Jordan 4 Off-White Sail. But first, this is how the box looks. The label. Nike Air. This is a woman's release, however, it doesn't matter what gender you are, you could always wear this. And it's got the signature holes on the shoe box for the Off-White branding. Yeah. Alright, so open the shoe. We got a beautiful shoe right here. It's probably my favorite Jordan 4. Maybe besides the military black. Well, other than that, this is such a nice shoe. Quality is insane as well. But yeah, alright. So first up, it's got the Air branding right here for a typical Off-White shoe. Here's the Jumpman. It's got this I don't know, weird material, but it's cool. Same with this. I think this is waterproof material. And here, I think it's kind of suede, but I wouldn't say it's really suede. This is how the little wing thing looks like. It's transparent a little bit. That's pretty cool. And it does come with shoelaces, the wording on the actual laces. But I just have them loose lace because they look really nice like that. On the back, it's pretty hard to see, but it says Nike Air. Just transparent. And it flicks up right away. So that's pretty good. Inside of here, the typical Air Jordan and the typical Nike Air inside the sole. On the sole, we got the Nike logo and this kind of mint green color with some yellowish other materials. This is how the netting looks like as well. Forgot to mention. Pretty cool. Alright, so there's nothing really different about the other shoe. So I'll put these to the side and show you what you get in the box. Alright, so in the box, well, not in the box for this one really. I just took this out, but it's just a zip tie it comes with. Usually just attached onto here. It just says Off-White Nike 2020 zip tie. Pretty cool, but I don't have any use for it. But also you get 3 extra shoelaces, which I love. Just in case I ever want to swap for another shoe. Swap the laces for some cool Off-White. First up, we got the black shoelaces. These will look pretty good on the Black Hat Jordan 4s, you know, stuff like that. So once I get the Black Hat 4s, I might put these on it. So that's cool. Then you got these shoelaces, which I think they're a little bit lighter than this one, but they're kind of a little white sand color maybe. And then mint. I don't know who's gonna use the mint, but it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't think I'm ever gonna get a mint colored shoe, so I don't have really any use for this. And lastly, it comes with this hang tag, which was attached onto the shoe. I just took it off. Pretty cool. You could use it as an ornament for Christmas, which I guess is cool. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you later. Peace.